This video is about toe stop stalls. So we've had some great comments and requests, and thank y'all for all that stuff. We were thinking, like, what would be like a first trick that you would learn? And probably one of the first tricks I learned was toe stop stall. You can do this on a mini ramp, or if you're not to the mini ramp yet, you can do it on one of these banks. Because it teaches you how to kind of stop briefly and then go fakie or turn around and go forward again. So I'll show you what I mean. I'm gonna roll up this bank.
So you're gonna break it down?
So basically, yeah, like you're gonna have your same skating position. You're staying low, you're bending your knees, you're staggering your feet. You're gonna roll up the bank, push into your toe stops, and then just roll back. And then kind of play with doing this where you go higher and higher up the bank. So you're skating, 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 skating. Roll up it, push into the toe stops, roll fakie.
And why does that help?
This is really useful for teaching us how to go fakie on an incline.
Oh, okay.
So when you stop on the toe stops,
before you get on a transition.
Yeah, before, like, you can do this on a mini ramp too, or any transition really, but it's kind of a precursor to stalling on the coping, like getting the idea of stopping and then rolling back. So I'll try again. I got to get some momentum. Back up here. Use this little bank. Skate, 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 skate. Get low, drop butt, push up, push into toe stop. And when I roll back, see how I lead with my butt?
Yeah.
Also, there's nobody here right now, but I need to kind of be aware of what's behind me, because if I'm going to roll up and push my toe stops and roll back, I should be looking behind me. So pushing into the toe stops, look back over your back shoulder, back foot. So you can see.
Yeah, see, yeah, absolutely.
Totally
very
important
smart.
to be aware. It's not crowded here right now, but sometimes it gets crowded at the skate park. You want to be aware of who's around you.
And you know, another thing I think I've realized too, now that we've been doing the roller skating in skate parks, it's kind of new, kind of for the most part, and I don't think skaters and certain BMXers, they're used to seeing us out here.
Yeah.
It's a little different. You know?
I think it depends on the area. It's getting more and more popular, but in some places you see a lot of roller skaters, others, like, it's not something that's seen.
It's harder to anticipate what to do.
So they might not be aware of your movement patterns and whatnot.
Yeah.
So it's always good to be aware of them and try to, like, not get people's lines and stuff like that. So once you feel comfortable with these toe stop stalls, you can add a little variation, a little 180. I'll try that now. So I'm gonna roll up to this bank, staggering feet, bending knees, dropping butt, push into toe stops, 180 turn.
Oh, that's cool.
In order to do that, you really, once you're on those toe stops, need to drop it, drop your butt, bend your knees, and kind of lean forward. Look where you're wanting to turn. I turn left. You can probably do it however you want, but I like to turn left and like that.
And your left foot's forward if you turn left?
Yeah, well, mine is.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be any way.
Yeah, there's no
It
rules
could
here,
be
really.
how you want. But generally, I'm staggered, left foot front, right foot back, on the toe stops, bending the knees. When I turn, I look where I'm turning, and I kind of drop my body in that direction.
It's like you turn your
don't
shoulders
wanna
too.
stand up. Yeah, you go head, shoulders, hips, feet, on and forward.
I see,
and down.
Can you do it one more time on the ramp?
All right.
Let's see it. See what you got. Here comes Jazzy.
Rolling up onto those toe stops, drop butt, turn.
Oh, that looks cool. It looks fun.
Go down, you have to really dive forward with your upper body and drop your hips and bottom down so that you don't loop out backwards.
Okay.
So those would be like some really first things to get comfortable.
So you really want to get used to going up and down these things first before you try.
Yes.
Those, okay.
Yeah, but this is like, you know, if you're like feeling like, oh, the mini ramp's too fast, you know, I'm not ready for it yet. These are great ways to practice getting more skillful in the skate park. So hopefully that's useful. Please let us know. We love your comments and suggestions, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.